Alright, so I've been given the Dr. Otek metal detector to try out. Now, this is always something I want to try. Did I think it was going to work? No. Did it work? Yes. We took this down the beach, me and the kids, and went metal detecting for about an hour. We did find some treasure. My daughter was hoping to find some gold necklace, but it wasn't quite that. But we did find something valuable. So it comes with a little digging tool. This is similar to, like you still got the sand on it. It's similar to a sort of Japanese gardening tool. I got one of these for the garden. Yeah, I had to actually sign to say I was over 18 to hold this. It's not sharp at all. But for digging, especially in the sand like we used it, it works well. The top part, you can change this, as I'll show you in a minute, between what sort of metals you want to find. So you can cut off, if you don't want to find any nails or anything like that, nobody wants to find them. So take the ferrous off, so you won't find any iron. And that'll be sort of zinc, gold, silver, all the valuable sort of stuff like that. This part is adjustable, so it's got lock-in screws here. And you can adjust it up and down so kids or adults can use it fine. The bottom is waterproof. This part is waterproof. Obviously don't put this part in the water, so you'll have some issues. And then we've got some headphones, so if you want to keep this quiet, keep it to yourself, you can plug that in. And then you won't be beep beeping to everyone on the beach or wherever you're going. So let's have a look at how we did.
Yeah. Aluminium. We've just dug something out of the sand.
Oh my god, we got a pound.
Got a pound!
Fine.
Lucas thought we weren't going to find anything! Poppy poppy doge. Poppy doge. Look, there's coins in here, definitely. Look, there's either a massive stash of old gold coins down there, or this is just plain funny buggers. Right, there it is. Yeah. It's a can, I think.
It's a can, he thinks.
Is it though? I don't know, it's something.
Looks like
That's a barbecue!
a barbecue?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I wonder if it's given off such a big reading. It's huge. We'll pull this out now and chuck it in the rubbish.
That's a bottle. What did you do?
So you can see it performed pretty well. I think for the beach I would prefer to swap this out for, have you seen them shovels, and they've got a sort of a mesh on the back and it sort of drains all the sand out, that'd be a lot better for the beach. Obviously this is not specialised for the beach, it's just for anywhere. But if I'm going to get into this, and it is quite fun because you do find some treasures, I think that is what I will do. The other thing that could improve this is a pinpoint pen. So you just sort of cylindrical object like this, and you sort of point it around the wherever you dig in, and it will point exactly where that metal object is, and then you know, dig there exactly. So what we had the problem with, it has got a pinpoint thing on it, but we found it will only work if you're actually on the soil or sand, as we were. So if you're in open air and it is still at the bottom of the hole, it will not show that very well. So pinpointer, and I think if you're using the sand, one of those scoops with the grill on the back of it would be amazing. It would make it perfect then. We did have some doubts it wasn't working very well at the start, but that was proven wrong after finding the pound and the barbecue. So it does work very well. It does exactly what it says it's going to do, but it could be deeper than you think. So you may have to dig a little bit deeper to find that exact thing. And it could be a ring pull, it could be a bottle cap, you just don't know. But it does show on the dial there what sort of metal it should be: zinc, platinum, silver, I don't know, sulfur dioxide, whatever. It should pop up on there showing exactly what it is, so it gives you a little clue then. You can see the barbecue is just picking up all sorts of crazy signals because there's all sorts of different metals in there. So yeah, lesson learned: don't chuck your barbecue on the beach because it will annoy people for a long time later. Right, I will put that link below for you if you're interested in that. Dr. Otek seems a good brand, it works very well, and I'm already a quid up. So, can you argue with that? I don't think so. Thanks for watching. Catch you soon.